Alright, welcome back. In our previous video, we discussed if function, which was testing just a statement. So now we're going to be talking about AND function. So AND function in Excel will enable us to test two statements, and if those two statements are true, or if those two statements are correct, then we are going to return a particular statement, and if they are false, we are going to return something else. So in this scenario, we have a record of students which took English test and mathematics test. So a student have to pass both English and mathematics for that student to have passed as in their result. I mean, for them to pass. So if a student have failed one and pass the other one, that student has failed. He has to pass the two tests at the same time. So what we are going to do right now is to test using the AND function. So if you use AND function, right, so it's going to give you some logical test. However, we won't be able to return any value, but and then the function is going to give you I think name or something. So if you say student, if you have 70, right, if you have 70, okay, and if you have 70 in your if you have 60 in your mathematics test, okay, so what should happen? False, right? So this is going to tell us that these students do not have English. So this student did not pass English test, but however this student passed mathematics test. So this is going to give you true or false, right? However, we don't want to return true or false. What we need to return is either say that this student has passed or this student has failed. And for us to be able to achieve this, we are going to combine this with an if function. So what we can do, we can start here by saying that if function, right? Okay, and then so this is our logical statement, and then we put a comma here, right? Okay, and then we say if this is true, I want you to say this student has passed. And if this is false, I want you to state that this student has failed. Remember to put your text in quotation marks, right? So we're going to copy this down, and then instead of having true or false, this student has failed or passed. So what this means is that a student has passed both English and mathematics, and the one that failed has either failed English or mathematics, or even failed both. So that is possible. So that is how you use and function in Excel. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to continue with our function in the next video.